Welcome home to Suite 903 at 2311 Beta Avenue. The Waterfall is the first and tallest tower at Lumina, a new master-planned community in the highly desirable Brentwood neighbourhood. This spacious, well-designed one-bedroom suite offers a highly efficient floor plan. The beautiful contemporary kitchen features a Bosch appliance package with a gas cooktop and oven, a fully integrated fridge and dishwasher, and a large quartz waterfall island with plenty of seating. Southern exposure and floor-to-ceiling windows bring plenty of natural light to the cozy living room, and opens to a generously sized 100 square foot covered balcony, which can be enjoyed year-round. This luxurious building is equipped with air conditioning, 24-hour concierge, a fitness center, a study room, 2 party rooms, and a communal outdoor patio. The bedroom also features floor-to-ceiling windows and is home to a spacious walk-in closet, while the stylish bathroom showcases high-quality cabinetry, beautiful finishings, and a deep soaker tub. The Lumina Waterfall sits beside a new 13-acre park and is in a perfect location only minutes to shopping at Brentwood Town Center, the SkyTrain Millennium Line, and the Solar District.